welcome to the MultiGP Drone Racing Championship of 2022.
The most recognized open-class race in the history of drone racing, with the fastest FPV racing pilots from around the world competing for the title of World Champion. This was no ordinary drone race. This was the race of 2022. Competition is the heart of champs, but it goes deeper than that. These races are also a reflection of the community that is formed because of the relationships made within these competitions. Any pilot you ask can attest to the relational connections that are made because of FPV. The fun of the event continues even after the flying stops.
So tell me what you're thinking of.
Qualifying is the standard by which pilots are grouped for the bracket races. There are 2 days allocated, allowing the pilots to put as much time on the track as possible in order to accomplish their best time for 2 consecutive laps. The individual pilot's position at the end of qualifying is then used to place them in their proper skill group for their brackets.
Pilots arm your quads, live on the tow with Russell.
Show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking
In bracket racing, a group of pilots is set to race against each other in a first-to-finish format. With 4 pilots per bracket, only 2 were able to move on, while the other 2 were sent either to a loser's bracket or eventually eliminated. After many intense battles, only the top 8 and the next 8 remained, leaving the 16 fastest pilots in the world to fight it out for their final positions.
To the front, it's MCK. He's heading to the MultiGP finish line. The undisputed fastest pilot in the world wins again our 2022 MultiGP champion, MCK FPV. We'll see you in 2023. That's a wrap from the 2022 MultiGP Championship.